How to fix iOS 26 beta not showing on iPhone. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser. Now navigate to the Spoon website, developer.apple.com. Once you're over here, click on two bars given at the top left. Click on the option account. Now you will be prompted to enter your Apple ID's credentials. So type in email or phone number and the password. Once logged in, you will be directed to this page. Now you will need to join the Apple Developer Program. So click on Enroll Today and go through the process. Once you do that, you'll be good to go. Now you're gonna find the latest iOS 26 beta update. For that, launch Settings. Now navigate to the option General. Click on Software Update. Here you're gonna find this option of beta updates. Click on that. Now checking for the option iOS 26 Developer Beta. Then you can head back and from here you can easily update it. So this way you can easily fix iOS 26 beta not showing on iPhone. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.